Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CSS Grid Generators. These fantastic online tools make creating responsive web layouts much easier. Instead of writing all the CSS by hand, you can visually design your grid and let the generator produce the code for you. This saves a significant amount of time and reduces potential errors, allowing you to focus more on your content and design aesthetics. It's a powerful way to streamline your development workflow. Most generators offer extensive customization. You can define your grid columns using flexible units like FR for fractional space or fixed units such as 100 pixels. Similarly, rows can be set to specific heights or adapt dynamically. You'll also find controls to adjust the gap between grid items, both column gap and row gap, often in units like 10 pixels or 1 rem. Some advanced tools even allow you to name grid areas for clearer organization. Once you have designed your grid, the generator will display a live preview, showing exactly how your layout will appear. Below the preview, you will find the complete CSS code ready for use. Simply copy this code and paste it directly into your project's style sheet. Then, apply the corresponding class or ID to your main HTML container element, and your grid layout will instantly come to life on your web page. It's a straightforward, three-step process. For optimal results, always consider a mobile-first approach when designing your grids, ensuring your layout adapts beautifully across all screen sizes. Leverage powerful functions like min-max to create columns or rows that are both flexible and have minimum or maximum size constraints. For example, min-max, 100 pixels, 1 FR. Don't hesitate to experiment with various properties. Remember, CSS Grid excels at overall page layout, while Flexbox is perfect for aligning content within smaller components, making them a powerful duo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.